Hey there guys, what's up and welcome to Finance Ninja. No social media interactions, a full guarantee, and money coming your way, not per month or per hour, but per minute. You can be paid after becoming a teacher on this awesome app called Skillshare and earn money by the minute. The community of learners receives fresh, interesting information from Skillshare trainers on a regular basis. Here's how you can play one video and earn $60, in which 50 videos equal $3,000 and make free money online. Number 5. Make an account on Skillshare and get started. You might make money on a regular basis as a Skillshare instructor. Create a Skillshare account to get started. Skillshare provides a free trial to try out their premium membership with no credit card necessary. It's a terrific opportunity to test out some programs for free, but becoming a teacher on Skillshare doesn't need a paid membership plan. You should definitely make an outline for your online class. Outlining your class idea will assist you in being more organized and will make recording your class much easier. It's time to start recording your lesson once you've created your outline. To produce online lessons, employing a few easy and inexpensive technologies wouldn't be bad either. However, if you're a novice, you don't need any expensive types of equipment. Number 4. Upload your video. Make a class that lasts 20 to 60 minutes and consists of short 3 to 5 minute segments. These lectures may be you speaking on camera, or you could voice over slides or a video of something relating to your class topic. You must also provide a class project. The class project is just a simple approach to encourage students in your class to put what they've learned in class into practice. Finally, it's time to make your class public. Your job isn't over just because you press the publish button. You must publicize your class. Share the link to your class with your friends and family. Share the link to your lesson on your social media sites, blog, YouTube channel, and so on. Promoting your class right away can help you earn money faster. Pro tip: it doesn't even have to be your video. You can download someone else's video in MP4 format and upload it on Skillshare. To escape the whole copyright issue, you can edit it, compile it in your own way, and then upload it. That way, it would still be easy for you to upload a video, and you would still get credit for your hard work that you put in. In the YouTube video, the guy gives great advice on how to upload a video, plus another way you can earn money by being a teacher at Skillshare. Number 3. How much money can one make on Skillshare? It's critical to comprehend how you'll be compensated as a Skillshare instructor. To begin, you should be aware that Skillshare is based on a monthly subscription plan. Students pay a monthly or annual subscription to have access to all the platform's classes. Every month, 30% of membership fees are deposited into a royalty pool to compensate teachers. An instructor may make roughly $200 in their first month with one lesson, according to Skillshare. On the site, top teachers may earn up to $3,000 each month. The more lessons you teach and the larger your audience on the platform, the more money you may make. You earn money as a teacher depending on the number of premium students that attend your class. The term premium students refers to a student who is paid for a membership. Each premium student's premium minutes are deducted from your royalty payout. However, free classes are not included in royalty payouts. Skillshare also gives teachers referral links to help them promote the platform and other teachers' lessons. Anyone who signs up using your link earns you a $10 referral fee, and that's how the money comes in. Number 2. Learn from experience. If you're hesitant about teaching classes online on Skillshare, you have to check out those who successfully did just that. An online review of a guy goes, "I had no idea how things would turn out, but I trusted Skillshare to know more about its pupils than I did. It's a good thing I took advantage of their knowledge and advice, since the outcomes were far better than I could have imagined. My Skillshare lesson earned me $528.80 in 1 month. In fact, I had more students sign up for this course in 1 week than I did for a whole year of one of my previous courses." The success of this brief session in terms of enrollment and profitability caught me completely off guard. No, it wasn't the thousands of cash that selling online courses on your own website may bring in. Who wouldn't want an extra $500 though? Number 1. Things to keep in mind while using Skillshare. Skillshare is a membership-based platform. Students pay $19 per month to have access to the platform's limited premium lessons. This implies you have no influence on the price of your course. Previously, instructors were paid around $1.60 or so for each premium student enrollment in a class. Teachers are now compensated per minute viewed as of January 1st, 2017. For May 2020, a single fee of $0.027 per premium minute viewed was set. Although you don't have access to your students' email addresses, the system does enable you to post internal notifications that may be sent out to all of your students through email. If a first-time Skillshare student signs up for a premium Skillshare membership using your referral link, you'll earn a $10 referral incentive. Skillshare is a marketplace for online courses. This means your course will be searchable in their course directory. You may enhance your course and have it trending on Skillshare by advertising it, obtaining new signups, and receiving ratings. This translates to increased exposure and signups. The major issue we have with Skillshare is that unless you have tens of thousands of minutes seen every month, you're now being paid substantially less for the hours of hard work you undoubtedly put into preparing a program. Based on the data above, a person needs 18,500 premium minutes of class time seen by paying Skillshare students each month to generate at least $500 per month utilizing this platform. This is a goal that instructors can achieve and even succeed in, but it will take some time to build up your student base. Here are things you can do for your classes to be successful in earning the money you need. Keeping the lesson under 25 minutes is clearly a wise decision. Give students shorter classes if they demand shorter classes. Just remember to make a difference in their life. Don't waste your time by posting nonsense. It won't only harm your reputation, but it will also result in negative feedback on the platform. People are more open to soul searching, goal setting, and New Year resolutions because it's the beginning of the year. An instructor's course, for example, was more of an inspiring business course, so part of it was simply luck. In terms of student enrollment, the beginning of the year is a busy period for Skillshare. Skillshare makes a strong effort in terms of marketing and challenges to attract more individuals to sign up before the end of the year. As a result, as a teacher, you benefit since there are more students looking for classes to attend. Skillshare is obviously changing, and it'll be fascinating to watch where they go next. It's probably worth it for you to post at least one lesson and see how it goes, because they make the process quite simple, don't they? Well, I wish you the best of luck. If you're interested in Skillshare, then do let us know in the comments down below. And before we get out of here, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and also remember to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you want to catch up on more content like this going forward. And as usual, I'll see you guys again later in another video. Bye for now.